I will get change. No, get down to business. No time.
I don't understand. Go pay first now. Money for and back for grand.
I just say if we don't true now, before I pay you now.
No, go pay first so.
Now how much? May I transfer for you? Now how much?
Now 500k.
500k?
See how long?
Now land. You know how much for long for you could do? Now 50k I get to.
Okay, transfer and I'm just manage it.
50k, they call 50k money. I bet call your account number, Joe.
22 53 64 889.
Now which bank?
Zenith.
Okay. Vicky Good.
Yeah.
Sense.
I mean, wait, make I confirm my first too.
You can wish.
Okay, done. I've seen it.
Oh yeah, no time.
Give me.
Devil has been waiting for you since to fail. And you just carry your destiny, give it to you, say, bro, do your thing.
What be this? What be this? What be this? Jesus. Blood of Jesus.
You think it's a joke? You think it's a joke? You think it's a joke? You think it's a joke?
Bro, so what's happen now? Why they disappear? Go, you see they appear. Come, what's happen?
Oh, now disappear, they disappear. I just say you dey practice, you dey rehearse, you dey practice.
You don't feel 50k for a fine girl like me. Such a fan like this, you don't feel 50k for me.
Come climb bed, may you off pants.
You know me before.
Wait, you climb bed, I be no climb bed.
I'll climb.
I climb bed, may you off pants.
You got the point now.
Let's start what we have come into the room to do.